retired people are portrayed as people who've just given up, just go home and do the gardening. Now people are beginning to think you could actually enjoy the luxury of doing some other things with your life. My name's Paul, and I am a freelance illustrator, an author and a storyboard artist. But I always say to people that I do colouring in for a living. I live in Brighton and Hove. I became involved in the running club down here, Brighton Phoenix. It seemed to me a perfect thing to do. A bit of exercise is important, especially as you get older. I still do enjoy it. It really helps my creativity. It's like meditation. And I come back and I know that I am snappier with my ideas. I guess I'm lucky because a lot of people who retire would do something like take up painting. And I'm already there on that point. The idea of retirement for an artist is something that you wouldn't really contemplate. You wouldn't stop drawing and painting. It's a desire and need that you have. But how I define success in retirement is happiness. To create that happiness, you're going to need some financial security and financial planning. The plan is nothing, but planning is everything. Life is going to take you out of control, but if you've done a bit of planning beforehand, you're in a much better situation. So I got a financial advisor, and he did actually give me a little bit of structure. The best advice I received for retirement was start saving early, start your pension. And I'm glad I did. You have to look at lots of different ways to give you support. In retirement, there's the state pension, the private pension. I've also got a rental flat, so that provides some income and covers some other things. There's physical property like houses and that, but there's intellectual property. As an artist, you can create something and keep the copyright on and benefit from it. I got advances and royalties for a set of picture books, so I put them in ISAs to save. And then when I was buying a property, I said, I've got those ISAs somewhere, and actually they were really worth it. So try and build some form of stability that will give you support, that will enable you to withstand the vagaries of life. To still make a living out of it at my age I think it's incredible. And I'm so lucky to do something that I do genuinely love. I'm looking forward to the next part of my life, which will take me into retirement. Just the idea of standing somewhere and painting a scene, watching the sunlight coming across trees, taking time to enjoy that moment. I've got a lot of painting to do, and it's a big world out there, and it's going to take me a long time to paint it all.